Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. My name is Jess. Welcome to Smarter Beauty, where I talk about lots of cruelty-free beauty and some lifestyle here on my channel, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. I would hate for you to miss out on new videos. You can also find me on social media. My links will be here on the screen and also in the description box, as always. So today I thought we would do a little get ready with me. I sort of shopped my stash and I just want to do like a full glam makeup look. I'm thinking, I don't know, just super glam. So if you want to see this face turn into super glam today, then definitely keep watching. Let's get into this video. Alright, so we are barefaced and let's go ahead and play with some makeup. I'm just feeling the urge to do something very glam. I'm thinking something kind of smoky. I'm wanting to do like taupes and grays, and I think makeup should be fun, you know? I kind of go back and forth with sometimes I want to do something colorful, you know, like some blues and purples. Now it's like springtime, but then sometimes I get in these moods where I'm like, oh, I just need some grungy, earthy colors and I just want a nice dark lip, you know? So, you know, do you. Whatever you're feeling that day, do that makeup look and rock it. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't wear that smoky eye with a black lip, okay? So for foundation today, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Foundation. I'm trying to give this another chance. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's because I have to mix it in so much of my white mixer. So I'm going to have to mix to get my perfect shade. I don't know if these videos do very well, but oh well. You know, I'm just doing my thing here. I'm actually still filming. Today is actually April 28th. So you probably won't see this until like sometime in May. I know. I'm just trying to do a lot of pre-filming because I'm actually not feeling that good today. Let me tell you what. Not feeling the greatest, so I'm hoping that by doing some full glam makeup, I'll feel a lot better. And then I'm just going to use my Mochi sponge. I really want to place a Shop Miss A order, but I've heard that their order, like your order just takes so long to get to you right now because of everything going on. So I don't know. I'm a little afraid that my package will get lost in the mail. So after I filmed my nail care video, my middle nail on my left hand broke, and this is how short it is. I'm not trying to flip you off, okay? But that's how short it is, and I just went ahead and filed all my nails down, and I actually am really liking this length, and I did a kind of like nude manicure. It was super easy to do. I used a Zoya nail polish, and I don't know, I really like this length. I can easily put on my skincare and makeup now. I'm not stabbing myself in the eye because my nails were getting pretty darn long. For a while I was doing like really bright colors on the nails, but I'm kind of like in the nude. Alright, so for concealer, I'm going to use my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the shade Snow. I'm still on this. I forgot how good it is, and now I'm back to using it, and I don't want to use any other concealer. I have to say, when you use a brush to blend out your concealer, it really gives you the most coverage. I kind of like it. Alright, and then I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. I haven't used this in a while, actually. And what I like to do is scrape a little bit of this and then put it on the back of my hand and warm it up and then apply it to my eyes. I feel like that's the best way to apply this. Alright, and then I want to go ahead and set that before anything creases. I'm going to use my brightening powder, Erase Studio, for underneath the eyes. And now I'm taking some of this e.l.f. Cool Powder with the same brush. And I'm just going to lightly set the areas that creased on me. So usually it's the center of my face. So the nose. Alright, so if you've seen my video recently on products I want to use up, I think it's up already, I don't know. But I have a little basket here of things that I want to use up in my makeup collection. And this is one of them. It's the Makeup Revolution Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm actually going to use this to set my eyeshadow primer. I like to do this to really, I don't know if it's called baking, but I like to set it. So that's what I'm going to do. And just kind of set that eyeshadow primer. And I guess that's how I'm going to try to use it up. And then once it sits for like a little bit, I just take my brush and just kind of knock off, dust off any excess. All right, we need some bronzer. So I pulled out one of my favorite palettes. I haven't used this in a long time, you guys know. Once I start using something again, I just hardcore can't stop. So this is the Lunatic Cosmetic Labs Contour Palette. This is the volume 1. There's also a volume 2 for like medium to deep skin tones, so definitely check that out. So I'm just gonna take this color right here, which is the lightest bronzer. Just gonna lightly tap this on. And you know, looking at this bronzer, it has almost this, do I want to say like pink tone to it? I don't know. Just gonna very lightly blend this into the skin. And then now I'm actually gonna go in and contour. I haven't been contouring a whole lot lately, but what I like to do is kind of mix these together. And there's even a white shade here where you can lighten it even more. So I just dip into both of these gray shades on the side here. Just kind of swirl my brush into both, and I'll even dip into the white a little bit just to, because you can like mix and match these, which is pretty nice. Make the fishy face. And I'm just gonna sculpt and kind of contour my face a little bit. And then of course along the jawline. I love this color right here. It's like a deep kind of mauve color. So I'm just gonna dip my brush very lightly into this because it's very pigmented. So I'm just gonna put on a tiny bit of blush. So for highlighter today, I was really wanting to use this. This is such a beautiful highlighter. It's from the drugstore. It's amazing. It's from Milani. It's their Strobe Light Instant Glow highlighting powders. And this is in the lightest shade 01 Afterglow. A nice kind of neutral type color. It's not super in your face type of highlighter, but it is so pretty. I absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna add this. All right, so now that we have the base done, I like to set everything. I'm using the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. I'm trying to use this up. I don't really like the spray it nozzle in here, but we're gonna use it. I have to kind of, because this just squirts out, I kind of have to take my sponge and just make sure there's no, like, you know, like little droplets and stuff. Ugh, I just hate how this spits out. All right, so I turned the camera off and did my brows really quickly. So those are done. All right, so let's move on to eyeshadow. I grabbed a whole bunch of different eyeshadow palettes, and I feel like the Shade and Light palette really has those like taupey gray colors, especially in the middle. So I think I'm gonna start with this shade here in the crease. Been really enjoying just shopping my stash and going through and pulling out older palettes and products that I haven't used in forever. I just haven't really been wanting to purchase any new makeup lately, which is interesting because usually I'm like, yes, give me, give me. But with everything going on right now, I think we're all kind of being more mindful of purchases. And even though I do review a lot here on my channel, I don't know, I just haven't been feeling the urge to get anything new. Nothing has really caught my attention. I was really interested in the new Melt palette because you guys know I go cuckoo crazy for the Melt matte shadows, and I love their matte formula. Let me know if you guys want to see a 3 looks 1 palette with the new Rust palette that I have from them. I know it's more of a fall palette, but I just love that palette so much. It's such a good one. So I'm just applying this in the crease, and I'm starting to apply it onto the lid and kind of pulling it out in sort of a, I don't know, like a point, like pulling it out past my lid Just really working and blending this color through the crease. And I do this a lot actually with my shadow. I've seen a lot of people doing the fox eye look, which is kind of interesting. I don't know, maybe I should have attempted that today. I don't know. And I think I'm going to take that same color and apply it to the lower lash line as well. The e.l.f. contour brush. I love this for the lower lash line because it just packs on. It's not like a huge brush and it fits so perfectly underneath there. I can just easily just pack on color and just sweep back and forth. And I think I'm just going to continue with using this middle quad here and take this shade right here. It's like a deeper gray, which I love. All right, I'm just going to start packing this on, starting from like my lid here, and then just kind of dragging it through the crease a little bit. So I'm just creating that shape that I really want. Ooh, I like that. All right, so now that I laid down that shape, I'm just gonna go through with a kind of pencil fluffy brush and just start to kind of soften that and blend. I'm not gonna blend too much, and I also pulled that over the lash line as well. Forgot to mention that. All right, so now I think I'm gonna take a little bit of that color on the lower lash line and just kind of connect that and use that same pencil brush, the lash line, and then connect it up with that color. So I'm just gonna go back and forth and just kind of like add a little bit, blend it until I get exactly what I'm looking for. So it does take a little time because we are doing a very particular, you know, shape. All right, you guys remember I was looking for my black liner for so long from Real Her Cosmetics, and I finally found her. She was hiding. She was sneaky. Somehow, it was my fault, of course, I put that pencil in with my lip liners, and it's been sitting there for months. It's just a really good black liner. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my waterline. And my eyes are super watery, so I don't know how long this is gonna last. All right, so I'm gonna take that same liner and just smudge it. Just go along the lash line. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of that darker shade on that same brush that we used the liner. And I'm just gonna go really close to the lash line and just kind of add a little bit more depth. All right, I think I'm gonna keep this very matte. I'm gonna go to my grunge palette from Gimme Glow and take Bonehead. It's a nice matte, like gray, weird fleshy tone. And I think what I'm gonna do is actually use that to highlight my inner corner. So normally, you guys know I love to do a bright inner corner, but today we're gonna do a matte. And I think this color will look nice with the sort of smoky matte look we're going with today. I think I'm gonna take this color. This is from, I know this is a lot of random palettes. This is the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take Kana. It's like this weird, again, kind of like a fleshy toned gray color. I'm not gonna add a lot. I just wanna put something there. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Just to fill in that gap with nothing there. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes and add some of this Warrior mascara, and then we're gonna pick out a pair of lashes. Oh my goodness, I don't know what we're gonna pick. And we also need to pick out a lip color. So let's squeeze these bad boys, put on some mascara, and then we'll pick out a lip color. We're gonna go with Laced. It's the most delicious color ever. Just wait. Just wait. Let me put it on and I'll show you how beautiful it is. look how beautiful this is. It's not too gray. It has a little hint of like taupe in there, maybe a tiny bit of purple, ever so slightly, but it's just such a, I don't know, it's just such a good color. Ooh, I'm just loving this makeup look. This is like, it's just giving me good feels. It all depends on like what day I'm having and what makeup look I want to do, and who cares, you know, spring, summer, winter. You know, one day I could be wearing yellow, the next I could be totally smoking out with the taupes and the grays and the grayish. Is it no surprise to you? I'm gonna wear the jean lashes. I have a few different ones, which is weird because some of them are different shapes. I don't know why that is. But the jean lashes, AWA Studio. We're gonna go big today. Ooh. Yes, she's here to party. All right, I'm gonna go glue these babies on, fix my hair, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. All right, guys, I am back. I went ahead and applied these lashes, which are my favorite. Jean, she never lets me down. And I went ahead and did my hair. If you guys are curious about what the heck this is, I wish this was my real hair. So if you guys are curious about this beautiful luxury hair right here, I actually just filmed the review for it. So if that is up before this video, or when it does go up, I'll be sure to link that review in the description box if you guys want to see how I styled my hair like this and more information and all that. I'm not going to say anything else. Just go check out that video. I'm feeling kind of sassy with this makeup. I love how it turned out, and with the hair, it just, I'm feeling extra today, and I really needed that. You know, sometimes you just need to get glammed up, even if no one's gonna see it, even if you're just gonna Netflix and chill. It's just nice to kind of get dolled up, you know? I don't know. It just makes me feel really good. So here's the finished makeup look. I really love how it turned out. I love these cool, earthy tones. This lip color is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this chit-chatty get ready with me doing this very glam look. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And of course, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on new videos every week on Tuesdays and Fridays. You can also find me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. All my links will be here on the screen and also down below. You can also find all the products I'm wearing as well in the description box. I'll go ahead and link everything for you if you want to know everything I'm wearing or shop anything that I'm wearing. Definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, and I'm sending you guys my love, and I will see you all very soon in the next video. Bye guys.